How was the fame? I mean, Suvela TV, fame is involved. How was that?
Fame was exciting, man.
Yeah.
Fame was
Mati
exciting, and
fame is a drug.
it's
Mati
still,
fame is a
yeah, fame
drug.
is a drug, my brother. When I started, my ngiqala ngiduma mina. Because remember, I'm known for Pastor Charles Oshange, Afro,
Yeah.
the hair and all of
Yeah.
that, you know what I mean? And because
Yeah.
of that, and because that's how people knew me, bese ngithi noma mangiphuma ngiye esitolo, ngikame inwele ngikhumula isigqoko, ngibhamathe ngiphume clean. Uyabo ngiphume
Hey.
ngiclean ekhaya.
Hey.
And I'll get a lot of attention from a lot of people, you know. I'll get a lot of nje abantu bafuna ukushuta iy'thombe and all of that. Then people also behave like bayakwazi. You know, umuntu akuphaphele emgwaqweni ethi shutha nawe, avela akukhumula isigqoko athi ngifuna bakubone. You know, at the same time, girls are all over you as well. Girls are all over you. So I think that's
Yeah.
what fame was like for me. But eventually, yaqala ngibhora lento yokuthi eish, la engiyakhona people recognize me. Angisakwazi ukuba ne-private space, angisakwazi ukuphefumula. That's when I started investing in hats and caps namazaza, you know. So that ongibonile ungibonile, ongangibonanga akangibonanga
Mm.
okwakhe. You know, the whole point vele at this point, for me, the less I'm seeing, the better. The
Okay.
less I'm seeing,
Okay.
the better.
So
Angifuni
there's a
kanje
negative
ngibone
type.
nabanye.
There's a negative side to fame shoots. There's a negative
Yeah, of
side to
course.
it.
Of course. The negative side yokuqala nje amantombazane. The
Yeah.
always the
Qinisile.
girls,
Qinisile.
ama-DM wakhe ayohlezi egcwele. They are willing ukulala nawe noma inini. You know. And
Yeah.
sometimes
Yeah.
you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you stand strong. Nabangani bayasho ukuthi hayi boy waze wayigwala wena ukuthi hayi bafethu mina ngifocuse
That's true.
kuNkulunkulu manje kuthi hayi kahle ngoNkulunkulu wakho wena.
Exactly.
Nawe ugcina usuxoshile oyedwa unyuke naye niye ekamerweni, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it's a into nje ukuthi if you allow it to take over you, then you
Mm.
might not come back from it.